What's up, YouTube? This is Bullseye Nate 231, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the air filter on a 2011 Chevrolet Express van. So this will be the same for a lot of Chevy van models: 15 passenger vans, 12 passenger vans, cargo vans. This will be very similar on all of those. It'll also be similar on the Suburbans and Tahoes. So we're just going to go ahead and jump right in. I've got my new filter here. This is a Wix 46573 air filter, and so these are supposed to be really good filters. So I got one for this van to replace. Also, that is what is currently in there as well. So the first thing you're going to do, you shouldn't need any actual tools, but you're going to pop the hood. If you need to know where the hood's at, if you open the driver door and you look right here, that's where the hood is. And you just pull that little lever and it's going to release the hood. Then you're going to come back over here, and underneath here you're going to see there's a little push tab. So you push that up and pull the hood up at the same time, and then you want to put the little stick right here on the hood itself. So to change the filter, basically all we're going to do is locate the air filter. It's right here on the front. You see the air intake is right there. You've got two clips, one on the front, so we're going to unclip that. One on the back, that one unclipped here on the back side, as you can see. And now we're just going to pull this cylinder straight off. All right. Okay, so we've got the cylinder off. I'm just going to set that to the side. Now, as you can see, the air filter is right here. It's all dirty, needs to be changed. It's been a while since this one's been changed. So to get this filter out, you just pull it straight out, and it comes out like so. Again, you can see all the dirt in this filter. It's ready to be changed. So we're just going to put that one to the side. There's really nothing. I know it's a really big filter, but there's nothing you can do with it other than throw it away. So we're going to get our new filter here and make sure it's the same filter. So it's exactly the same. So I'm going to go ahead and take this filter like this, place it. If you look in there, there's a small circular thing in there. That's actually what holds the filter in. So that little circular insert goes into the filter here. And so basically we just need to find where that's at, push it on real tight, and as you can see, the filter is raised all the way around. They have room and space so the air can flow around it. You want to make sure your filter looks just like that once you push it in. You shouldn't put it in and then it falls down. It needs to be tight in there, making sure that it's sealed on that little insert in there. All right, then as you can see, the little cover here has arrows. So basically you want to line that arrow up with the arrow on top. I got to do a little bit of finagling to get this. You got this little bottom piece, so you kind of have to slip that in underneath. Let's see if I can do this with two hands here, or one hand rather. So we're just gonna slip that in, get that air filter tight on there. All right, and make sure we get that put in, and then you're just going to take your clips and lock those in. It's that side, lock the back side. All right, and that is how you change the air filter on a 2011 Chevrolet Express van. Like I said, this will be very similar and almost exact on all other models. You know, being the Suburban, the Tahoe, the cargo vans, all those vans. This is going to be very, very similar, if not almost exact. Again, the filter size is 46573. So that's how you change your air filter. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop those in the comments below. Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.